Basra pearl, also known as Basilica moti, is a highly precious variety of the natural pearl gemstone, originated from the Basra region of Persian Gulf. The marine ecosystem of this region got depleted in the early 19th century, which created a halt in the natural pearl production in the Basra region. Baskara Moti gained huge popularity for its color and smooth texture, which further increased with rarity. The benefits of natural Basra pearl are: it restores calmness and tranquility, boosts confidence and thinking ability, improves maternal relationship, revitalizes skin, heart, and eyes.